At the shop, I was changing the oil on the Grom, working on the Bronco a little bit for a fun little project that I'll be showing you guys later. Rust bucket here. Hot mess. Hot mess. A couple projects. Let me just show you a quick spin around. So here we are. Oh, there's that fan. It's noisy, my bad. That's getting bags. Motor, new motor. Underglow, some other stuff. That's getting, where is it? That's getting bags. So, yeah. Homie over here putting a new exhaust in because it sounded terrible. Now he has AC and power steering. What's up, Zach?
I'm in the store right next door.
Do burnout.
You might have to get out. It's so strange.
Do you need 2x4s?
Yeah, that would actually probably work. But it's going at an angle, it's probably not.
Yeah, it's full send, bud. So, okay. Is that going through the floorboard?
Yeah.
There's a jack point right there. Literally right there.
Where I was going to put a fucking jack stand at.
There we go. You're doing a great job.
Yeah, I definitely don't advise anybody doing this.
Money.
That's not sketchy.
On a trailer, what could happen? What could go wrong?
What could possibly go wrong? A wood floor trailer. In an 80s model car. It's been sitting.
What year is this?
84.
84? It's 2 years older than the Bronco. Oh my god. What could possibly go wrong?
So I totally guessed on this and I was right. This is 17. Let's see how stuck they are.
Oh.
Not stuck at all.
Oh, don't say that, because like the next one you can do is gonna just snap on in there. I think I got knock on.
Oh, it sounds so much better than what it was. Jesus.
That sounds better.
Compared to what it was the other day? Yeah.
Ah, shit.
I dropped my nuts.
They fall all the way through? Oh, one did.
Leave them there. I put them there.
No, I was putting, there's one right here. Oh,
And it's got disc brakes? What?
oh my. Ah, see? Drift car.
Germans for the fucking win.
Drift car.
Those brake pads are good.
The rotors, though, I mean, they could use a good turn.
You're good.
That'd be funny to take that to
good.
AutoZone or O'Reilly's and see what they say about turning those. Yeah, I just took these off my car. I need to turn them real quick.
You don't turn once you start hitting the brakes?
No, but like just to see their reaction.
Oh, that'd be hilarious. They'd be like, I can't do that. Yeah, you can.
What year is it?
I need wiper blades.
What motor do you have?
Yeah. What engine do you have in your car? Yo, I just realized. Mercedes logos.
God, this thing's mint.
So we get the Mercedes tools and Mercedes style nuts. Love it. I can taste the nuts. A little salty.
The Mercedes nuts are salty. Easy, those are mint. What the hell? That has to be seafoam. That's definitely seafoam. Oh. Oh, it smells so bad. My nose got raped. Oh, that's so bad.
Okay, look. I'm gonna be honest about these tires. I got them.
Oh, hi, Logan, by the way.
A really cool guy, but they're dry rotted as shit. I only paid $50, and I had to drive 45 minutes to get them. But they're on Honda Steelies, and you could sell those for $20 for the set. I couldn't find any rollers for 14s anywhere else. This was the cheapest and fastest I could get them.
Oh,
It's a good deal.
It's so good.
Out of all the wheels and tires we found over on that side.
Yeah, but that would have been several $100, and it wouldn't be what our
there
engine.
was- These are temps. There's multiple. You showed me a couple hundred.
Yeah, they were like $150 wheels, but they weren't cool looking.
So what?
Who wants like that as a roller when you can just put these on there?
All right, I love how he
These are
started
the
off.
wheels we
Look,
want.
they're dry rotted.
They are.
There's a braided grill. 66 bucks. It's a different style. But
Whoa. This guy's about to throw me the damn. Oh! Do the do. What's going on over here? Oh, wow, that's custom.
Yeah, that's a sheet metal right there, and this looks like it's a piece of another frame that was cut.
It's cracked.
It looks like they tried to weld up a crack here too. They did it with an arc welder. That's neat.
Bro, that's custom.
It's a box notch, you know.
watch this.
Oh. I don't know if y'all can see this, but the back end is falling.
Wow.
Yeah, it flexes right here.
It
He's gonna need a whole back half.
Another episode is definitely not a mustache. Like,
All right, buddy. That's it for tonight. We'll see you guys in a few seconds. So we were going to take it off the trailer, but then we remembered there's no brakes. So...
I say you go for it.
You still can.
You want to?
I have
It
to
can't
get
be-
done regardless.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's just try it. You want to try driving it off?
Why?
All right, well, let's try hooking it up and getting it off.
I mean, I have to hook up and get it away from the wall anyway.
All right. Oh.
Some of the things you say, I wonder if you even think about it sometimes.
He does it.
I don't think before I say a lot of things.
I noticed. Well, I guess we're gonna try and hook up and yank it off. Yeah, you have to. You're 6 inches from the wall. Of
Yeah,
course you
all
have to
right,
hook
all
up.
right, all right. Come on.
Come on. I'm in no hurry.
You can't figure it out?
I don't have enough strength. I'm pregnant.
Straight
I'm
for
tired.
what? You pull a lock out.
Oh, I know, and then you gotta pull that up. That was kind of heavy.
So.
Okay, bye.
You're not even that far along, damn it.
I think it's more lazy. Lazy, lazy. Come on, lazy. Come on, lazy.
You do you, boo-boo.
No, I'm good. I'll see you at home. That tire is definitely low. For cutting your exhaust off, it still sounds quiet.
Still has 2 cats on it.
Cat, meow, meow. Has a sensitive ignition there.
Yeah, actually.
Look, it got a new battery or tire replace. A diff, align, all wheel. Oh, I got an alignment back in what date? Where's the date? Oh, 2003, November. All right, let me close the door.
Just a little.
Uh-oh.
Try. We got brakes.
Is that you hitting the brakes or it doing it? Okay, try starting it up again. Maybe that was in the way. No, that's healthy. Solid. Don't pull forward. I got it. It came.
Hold on.
It came. Stand on it, quick. Oh. Oh my God.
This is why we're definitely not mechanics, folks. And I can't promise it's
Oh shit. Are you in reverse? Oh, wait, maybe it. Give it a bunch of gas. Oh yeah! It's moving under its own power. Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Oh yeah! That sounds healthy. Oh yeah. Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Yeah!
quite amazed right now. Smells like shit. Look, there's parts of the car on the ground.
Stop! You're good. Yeah! Is this important? Is this important? That's enough excitement. We got everything off trailer. He's gonna put the trailer away. Facebook.com/definitely not mechanics. Get some merch. Bagger Works.
Customs and restaurant, or customs and performance.
Customers. Oh, let me show you guys this. We were playing around with the logo for the shop. Let me look at
Bathroom edition.
the bathroom edition. The employee's bathroom. We're playing around with the logos. Bagger Works Custom and Performance. You want your shit bagged? Come here. Bagger Works.
No other parking in my bathroom though.
No other parking in the bathroom. It's the employee restroom. All right, we're out. Zach, you want to say anything?
Yay!
Again, never. Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
Only in your videos.
God. All right, later. Bring out your dead. Bring out your dead.
Bring out your dead.
Dong.
I'm not dead though. Bring out your dead. He's going to die.